Welcome back to LS Tech, it's your boy Loki, and today we're going to be checking out this rugged phone from DOOGEE. I want to give them a big shout out for sending this out for me to review, but this is the DOOGEE S40 Lite rugged phone. But this one retails for $100. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So yeah, this is the box itself. As you can see, DOOGEE S40, the rock solid Explorer phone. Sounds really nice. On the back, nothing much here as you can see, but yeah, let's peel this off. And let's open this up. So inside we've got the phone itself in some plastic, so let's get that out of the way. Wow, it feels really heavy. So we've got some more plastic, and inside here we should have some documents. I think so. So we've got a warranty card, and we've got a hefty user manual. But you know I don't like these, so that's gonna get rid of that. And let's see what else we've got. Let's just hope this is a Type-C cable. Hoping for it, and it's a micro B. Oh, but the cable, yeah, it looks nice and decent. Nothing short, but it's micro B, so no Type-C, which is a bit sad. And then we got a standard DOOGEE branded wall outlet here. Oh yeah, let's get rid of all of this. So we've got the phone here, so let's get rid of all of this plastic. Ooh, this feels nice and hefty. So at the front you can see we do have that famous IP rating here. So we've got IP68 rating for that just ruggedness phone. But yeah, so this phone does have a 5.5-inch HD plus screen. We do have a quad-core CPU on here with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal storage. We do have front-facing unlock as well as a rear fingerprint scanner, which is really nice. And as well as in the rear, we do have a 5 and 8 megapixel dual camera, which is really nice. And as I said, this phone is IP68 as well as IP69K, and we do have military drop protection rating here as well, which is the 810G standard, which is really good. But yeah, we do have a 4650 milliamp battery, which is really nice, and it is running Android 9 Pie. So we're not running the latest version, Android 10, but we've got Android 9 Pie, which is really decent. So we do have our volume up rockers here, our power switch. We do have a SIM SOS button. Why was I thinking that SIM trace is here? We have an SOS button, but this is just not an SOS button. You can customize this button to anything else if you don't want to have an SOS button. But yeah, let's peel off this screen protector here. That looks nice. We do have that 5.5 Full HD plus screen. But yeah, so let's get rid of all these stickers everywhere. Of course, I know it's my 2D version. So yeah, this is the phone itself. So down here, we've got the DOOGEE logo here, or headphone grill, speaker grill, a front-facing camera for the unlock feature as well, but I'm not sure that's going to be some amazing unlocking features. It's going to be a standard feature, hopefully. But in here, we've got a micro SD slot as well as our SIM tray. We've got a customized SOS button. This side, we've got a volume rocker, and the buttons actually feels really nice and tactile. But we do have this aluminum internal structure here, as you can see, and we have this rubber finish going around. And of course, we've got the DOOGEE logo there as well as with the IP rating. And then we've got our dual rear facing cameras of 5 and 8 megapixel with dual flash or single flash. Nope, that's single flash. And then we've got a fingerprint reader there. At the top, we've got should be our headphone jack inside this cover, which is nicely tucked in, which is good. So we do have a headphone jack there, but you make sure you have one of the longer cables because this needs to go all the way between the protection, and you can just see the level of protection we have here. Look at the thickness in there. That shows how much rubber there's around the phone. That goes in there tuck, and at the bottom we've got a micro USB for charging, as you can see there, and you can see the thickness here again, so that shows you just the level of thickness. But let's power this on. Hopefully we should have any juice. So the phone is powering up. As you can see, we've got the DOOGEE little animation coming up. Just wait for that to load up. So it started here, so it's asking us for its language. Standard Google Pi setup here. We're just gonna skip with the SIM card. Asking to connect to Wi-Fi. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this phone up and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So while that is going on, I'm just gonna talk about this phone. So this phone is not aimed for you like standard consumer. This is more for professional workers who needs a ruggedized phone, or if you're a sport active who goes out and traveling a lot, you want to have a phone that's fully protection. Because some people, you can have your standard phone, but then you want to buy bulky cases. If you don't want to do that, these phones will do the job. Or if you just want to have a secondary phone while you're at work and you don't mind your phone dropping, and you know your phone's going to drop, for those type of people, this is the phone for day-to-day use. I'm not really sure anyone would want to have this hefty phone, but it is like nice. It looks sturdy, it's heavy, and it feels really good in the hand, I have to say that. But yeah, this, you should just take this to consider when you're thinking of buying this phone. It's mainly for you people who needs a ruggedized phone. For you guys, you might love this phone, but for general public, I'm not sure this is a phone you want to look into. But we're gonna set this up and see how it goes and what I feel about it. But yeah, let's just wait for this to finish updating. So yeah, just spent some time with the phone, got everything set up and everything is up and running now, as you can see. So this is the home screen. So it's off now, so we're gonna test out the Face ID first. So I'm just gonna hit there, gonna keep it in front of my, and there, kept in front of my face and open up. So let's try that again. So as you can see, it takes maybe like 1 or 2 seconds to open, but it still works. For now, let's try the fingerprint reader here. So try that again. Works fine. Try again. It works fine, as you can see. Works without any problem. Try it when the phone is locked, and the phone, it works still. So that's good. So even if your phone is locked, it's still gonna pick it up. So let's just close that. So we don't have any like app drawers, anything like that. So we've got the standard Google apps in this Google folder. We've got Google or Duo or Play Store. Then we've got phone, Messenger, Chrome, and camera. Then we just got standard rows of clock, settings, voice recorder, calendar. That's it. Our face, unlock feature, and our power saving. That's it. You got no bloatware, no games, no Facebook. Nothing is pre-installed, which I really like. And the wallpaper is nice. The theme looks nice and organized, which I really like. So while I was playing with the phone, I actually like the design of it. I have to say, like, this rubberized finish feels really nice, and attention to detail. Like, you've got the screws here on the aluminum frame, which is really, really nice. You have this glossy bit here with the logo in tempered glass. Like, I actually like this premium feel. It looks like a nice rocket case on a phone. Otherwise, you won't notice it's not that hefty, but this aluminum frame feels really nice. Feels really sturdy, like when you're holding it. Like, I'm not scared if I'm gonna drop it, anything like that. And if you drop it, this is gonna be fine. But yeah, let's just, oops. Now I have to enter the password because I'm touching with both of my hands at the back. But yeah, let's just open up settings and let's just go with the specs and details. So system, no, let's see if we can find anywhere about the phone. No, I'm sure it has to be in system. Okay, about phone there. So as you can see, it is the S40 Lite there, and we are running Android 0.9. Let's just go to storage now so you can see the storage option. So you can see we have the 16 gigs and I've used 4 gigs already. And so some system settings already taking up 3.5 gigabytes, 3.5 gigabytes. But yeah, so that's the phone. So the screen is, like you can see, it feels it's responsible. So we do have our little Google Hello feature here, so I can press that and say, what's the weather like today?
Today's forecast for Billund is 5 degrees with rain.
So that works fine. As you can see, really nice, and you are getting your card here as well as your timing, so you can see tomorrow. So that's kind of load second, and then we've got that. So it looks like we're gonna have some showers. So no snow, anything like that. Nope, no snow here. A bit sad, but yeah. Let's just go back and let's just go into YouTube here. So yeah, I'm just gonna play one of my videos from YouTube so you can get the audio quality as well as the sound quality. So what I'm gonna do here, let's see if I can get up to video quality here. It's only gonna go to 480 because the screen is not even 720, it's just a HD plus screen. But YouTube only plays back at 480. 480. And we are living in what? It's nearly 2020. And people are using this phone and they can only watch 480p, which is sad, but for those people getting this phone, I'm sure it's gonna be enough for them, because they're not aimed at using YouTube on here, because they're only going to be using this for messaging, getting texts and calls, and having a phone when they're out and about and they need something rugged proof. But yeah, and we do have a speaker in here. It's really inside the phone here, so we're just getting this little cutout to get the sound out. So just gonna listen to that.
Welcome back to Let's Take It, your boy Lucky, and today we're gonna check out some gaming headphones. But before that, I got a giveaway coming up. So yeah, you know, it's Christmas, it's time to give. And with the Christmas spirit around, I thought I might do a giveaway, so make sure you stick it around to me.
So yeah, that works fine. So if I go into landscape and play the video,
giveaway details.
I actually think
let's begin with the video.
It actually looks decent, I have to say that.
Okay.
Like,
we're gonna check out the N50.
the quality is decent, as you can see. I'm not sure how well this is picking up on camera. I'm not sure how well this is picking up camera, but I have to say it actually looks decent enough. And I know I shot this video at 4K, so even at 480 it looks really decent. So I know some people are still using 480 cameras on your MacBooks Air. People still have your 480p cameras, which is still annoying for some people when they're watching it, but for other people there's nothing you can do. But people who have this phone, I'm telling you, YouTube is not your main use. As you can see, there's no Facebook, nothing is pre-installed, because for those people who's looking at this rugged phone, for them this features really doesn't matter. For them, they just need something very sturdy, something that has a camera. So we're gonna check that out. Battery life, it's IP rated, it's military grade protection, and it works. Just you can take call, you can text, you got your messenger here, so if I open that you can start conversation. You got your phone here, so you can dial people's number if you want to do that, which is nice. Let's go back here, so let's check out the camera. So camera's up here, so let's take a picture of Bulbasaur here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the pictures now so you are watching the pictures instead of me taking these pictures. So hopefully you should get an idea of how the quality is, and I'm gonna go over the quality as well before I talk to you. So yeah, I've just been looking at the pictures, and so hopefully now you've seen the pictures, and as you can see they are not super amazing, anything like that. They're usable, and I said for the people who's looking at this phone, that 8 megapixel should be fine for them, because the aim is not to go around to taking pictures like amazing Instagram pictures, anything like that. If they're even going to take pictures, it's just of their workplace, and if there's something wrong at work, or if they need to take a picture of a scene or some sort of construction, anything like that, that's when they're going to use it, which is fine. For other people, you may be thinking 8 megapixel on the camera and the picture quality is so low, which is, yes, it is low, But as I said, this phone is not aimed for your normal day-to-day consumer, so just put that into mind when you're thinking about this phone and watching this video, because if you're not even looking for it, like, yes, if you're here watching it, yes, thank you for that. But otherwise, this phone is mainly aimed for you people who's looking for a rugged phone. That's why I have this video out for you guys, for you to have a look at this. I'm going to do some more reviews in depth. I'm going to take it out, drop it, test it. I'm going to do waterproofing and just see how well this works. Drop it in water and just throw this phone around on the street and see how this phone holds up. But for now, this was just a quick unboxing and first look of the DOOGEE S40 Lite. This one retails for 100 euros. If you do want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description as always. But yeah, as of now, this phone feels really sturdy. Does the job, nothing here to complain about. Everything works from the camera. You've got your Google Assistant inbuilt, which is nice. It does your standard texting. You got your alarm clock, your radio, FM and everything, which is really good. Overall, this is, as I said, this is for people who's looking for a ruggedized phone, who needs that little rock solid Explorer device when you are out and about. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna have a full review, some testing coming up. So make sure you stick around, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified if I upload a new video. And of course, leave some feedback, comments, shares. Let me know what you think about the phone, what test I need to do. Leave those in the comment section. But as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.